So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, we've got the fuel gauge at the bottom, and above that, you can see the total miles of this car, which are 90,160. You can change your information displayed there by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. Various bits of trip computer and car info. Back around to the beginning again, and then if we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side and cruise control over on the right-hand side. In the centre, we have the main stereo and the screen for the stereo directly above that. You can see that we've got the radio, of course. This car has got DAB, FM and AM radio. Every push of the radio button will take you through a different wave band. And if you want to listen to your own music, we have the CD player just here. This car also has Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. You can connect a USB device as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music, and all of which are accessed just here, and you can pay your phone from on here as well. This dial is also your volume control. Below that, we have climate control. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. Any manual adjustment you can make yourself, and you can override auto. As you can see, auto has now gone off. We can put the car in eco mode. This button turns off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. The system is turned off when that light shows. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox, as you can see. Just behind that, we've got a heated driver and passenger seat, both with 2 different heat settings each. And then down the bottom here, we have a 12-volt charging socket and USB input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.